How to fix if you can't follow anyone on TikTok. Hello, everybody. If you are not unable to follow anyone on TikTok, you may follow up this step. So, for that, first thing is you may head over to your TikTok application and you should be finding this interface. So, the first thing you can do in order to fix this is just go ahead and look out for your limit. So, TikTok imposes daily and total follow limits to prevent spam. So, you can approximately follow 200 accounts per day. So, you can just go ahead and look out for your following. So, if you're following anyone on TikTok, first thing is just go ahead and look out that you only have 200 following per day. So, you can only follow 200 account per day. And total limit up to your following is 10,000. So if you've already reached your following for 10,000 in total, you have already reached your limit and you may be temporarily restricted from following more users. You need to wait for 24 hours before attempting to follow new account. After that, the next thing is if you're engaging in behaviors that TikTok deems suspicious can lead to temporary restrictions. So if you're rapidly following everyone or unfollowing users from your account, or using multiple accounts on the same device, utilizing VPNs or proxies, these actions can trigger TikTok's anti-spam measures, resulting in shadow ban where certain features like following are limited. So that is why you may be having the result. Otherwise, what you can do is you can try clearing the cache of your TikTok application. So long press on your TikTok app and go to the info section at the very top. Open it up like this. And then once you open it up, you may just go ahead and clear the cache by going over the storage from the options available and clearing the cache of your TikTok application. After that, you can scroll back and ensure that you are using the latest version of the app. So you can just go ahead and install the application and again install it. Otherwise you can try updating the app. So go over and search for Play Store and look out for the application TikTok here, and then update TikTok app and update your application to the latest version. That should help you resolve minor bugs affecting the following feature. And if ensure that you haven't blocked anyone in your TikTok application as well. If you have been blocked by your user, you won't be able to follow them. So that may be also the issue for now. You may follow up these precautions in order to do so. And the main thing you need to ensure is that you don't have a weak or unstable internet connection because that can hinder the app performance. So make sure you have a proper internet connection before following someone on TikTok. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.